In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 reasons why Facebook marketing is not dead. Marketers take the term dead as when a strategy is no longer working for them. Marketing in Facebook is competitive and ever-changing, but if you know the how-tos in Facebook marketing, you'll be successful in the growth of your business. Reason number 1. People spend time on Facebook every day. Facebook has been dominating the social media industry for several years now. Over 2 billion people are actively using it each month. There are more than 60 million businesses using Facebook business pages and advertisers promoting their business on Facebook. That is almost a third of the world's population to become your target market. You can have hundreds of thousands of target market that could lead to your sales. According to Oberlo, Facebook users prefer using their mobile phones to check their Facebook accounts over their computer. The average spend time is 58 minutes a day. Facebook Stories are now a potential tool to market your products or services, as these are short videos or images that potential customers may not be aware that they are already browsing an advertisement or a promotion. They will more likely to click it, landing you a sale. Reason number 2. Facebook ads get more audience reach. Organic promotions might reach only 2% of your organization's followers, which is a 98% less reach from your followers. Imagine those 98% could land you to more sales and an increase in your profit. Facebook prioritizes the paid ads in getting more reach based on your targeted interests and demographics such as age, language, and location. Here are some Facebook ads we might encounter in our feeds. As we see sponsored under the brand name, it definitely is a Facebook ad. You may even check out similar pages where you might find your target audiences, which is the audience insights. Just access your Facebook Business Manager, look for Audience Insights. On the left side, you may type in some interests. By default, you may view the demographics related to that interest and how many audience we may target. When we click Page Likes, you will see top categories in page likes. These are the top pages where these number of audiences who likes keto diet that we searched also has other likes and interests, such as these pages. We may click each page to check how many followers they have on their community, and even browse their contents. Audience Insights shows us how we can delve into a detailed target marketing in our ads we create. Facebook ads is a cost-effective investment for any business owners. You may run ads for as low as $5 a day, and you may double your business growth through advertising, as it gives you the opportunity to reach more audience to find out more about your business who later can be your customers. Reason number 3. Video posts gets best engagements. 85% of videos catch people's attention. We may categorize videos into 15-second video teaser. A person's attention span gets shorter after 15 seconds, so it's best to make it 15 seconds or less. This video can contain text overlays of a few key points of your promotion, blog or topic, including a moving photo where you may grab people's attention as they browse their news feed. If it catches their attention and you embedded a link to your website in that video, or just a link in the description, you have directed your audience to your website or landing page. It works much better if you add a budget to boost that post. Long-form video. This could be paid video ads that are educational how-to videos, tips sharing, that may include a voice-over, and ideally, it must have captions to understand it with audio off. The best duration for it is around 3 to 5 minutes. Here are examples of these kinds of videos. As you may see in your Facebook account, videos on watch. You may browse it to look for more videos. Facebook Live. Facebook's new algorithm prioritizes Facebook Live to get more reach and engagements. You may even encourage engagements from viewers and ask them to like, subscribe to your page, and comment in your videos while you're doing it live. As you teach some valuable tips or ideas, you may pitch in your promotion before your video ends and add a call to action button where these audience can click a link that directs them to your landing page. Reason number 4. Automate your sales. When you have grown your page followers, you may receive tons of inquiries that will flood your messenger. The best way to deal with this is incorporating a messenger bot with your Facebook business page. You may gather all the repeated inquiries you get every day and automate your answers to save you time. You may use the ManyChat bot. If you don't have an account yet, just go to manychat.com. Follow the instructions until you are directed to your dashboard. Reason number 5. Build trusting relationship from previous customers. When you have built your fan base of repeated customers who buys every product you promote, you have already gained their trust. They see you as the expert in your field of specialty or niche. Here's an example entrepreneur or teacher who creates online courses, posting promotional contents Facebook Live to promote his new course, and most of his followers buy products from him. Another example is this business selling products like earphones. His customers know that their products are good and valuable to them. The next time he promotes a new customized earphone with a different sound quality from the previous one, they would want to try it and buy from them, as you may see in the reviews and feedbacks of his customers. All of them are satisfied. Facebook has been changing their platform and also their algorithm. You need to get updated with what works and what does not any longer, especially with marketing. With more than 2 billion active users who visit their Facebook accounts every day, it will now be possible to get your potential clients even to the 0.01% of those active users. Most audiences access their Facebook accounts with their mobile phones. Mobile shoppers do discover new products with videos and are more likely to catch one's attention. In addition, you need to consider the length of your videos depending on your target audience. Videos are much more interesting and entertaining to people and gets higher engagement than photos, status, and link posts. Thank you for watching.